Hello everyone, I am Jaideep Mundra from BIKANER POLYMERS Private Limited. We are manufacturers of PET cans, jars and can seaming machines. These is the range of the cans that we have. We make cans for various products, beverages, for dry products in various mouth sizes, in various shapes. Today, in this video, I'll be demonstrating our SS body head rotating tabletop can seaming machine and MS body head rotating can seaming machine. The working of both the machines is the same. The difference is the body. In this machine we are using SS body and in this machine we are using MS body with powder coating. The machine comes with auto function. So if you want to run the machine, we provide the pedal also. So you can run the machine with pedal. A single operation will take place, and you can also put the machine on auto mode and set the timer. Say in this case we have set the timer to 6 seconds. So machine will run automatically after 6 seconds each time. So you can set the timer as per your convenience and machine will work. I'll seal one can. The can is sealed. I'm pressing the can and there is no leakage. I'm pressing the can and there is no leakage. This is a 1000 ml RTC can. You can again switch to manual mode when the work is done. You can set the timer. The machine comes with 1 year motor warranty. It's a 2 roller set machine. These machines are basically used for products which are little soft in nature, like biscuits, cookies. You want to pack pickles, ghee, any sort of liquids. In this case, the machine head rotates. The can will not rotate. The machine head rotates. So for example, this is our ghee can. This is a 500 ml ghee can. I'm going to seal this can. So you can see the can will remain stable and the machine head will rotate. Can is properly sealed. I'm pressing the can, there is no leakage. The benefit of this machine is it's a tabletop machine. It's a lightweight as compared to bigger machines available in the market. And you can operate this machine. This machine can give you an output of say about 5 to 10,000 cans a day. You can run this machine continuously also. I'll put this machine on auto mode. Time is again set to around 6 seconds. And we'll show you the sealing process. The sound of the machine is less. The machine is compatible with various mouth sizes. You can change the chuck, adjust the rollers with different mouth size. So one machine is compatible for various mouth sizes. Like we have provided attachments also with the machine. So you can do various sizes. You don't have to change the height. If the mouth size is the same, we provide these attachments so that you don't have to change the mouth size. You don't have to change the height of the can. It's a heavy machine, robust machine. The 1 year warranty of the motor. For more queries, please contact us. It is all Indian made machine.